Okay, here we are back again with our third standard. 7.E.1 again is the same as what it's been. Understand how the cycling of matter, water, and gases in and out of the atmosphere relates to the Earth's atmosphere, weather, and climate. 7.E.1.3 says, explain the relationship between the movement of air masses, high and low pressure systems, and frontal boundaries to storms, including thunderstorms, hurricanes, and tornadoes, other weather conditions that may result. This. Alright, so air masses is one of the things we really need to know about. They are large sections of the lower troposphere that has the same amount of weather throughout that region. They can form over the continents, the ice caps, or the ocean, and they're controlled by the patterns of heating and cooling all over the Earth. Remember those isotherm maps where we looked at all the patterns a couple videos ago? Look back over that. So anyway, the changes in the pressure readings indicate that the passing of high and low pressure systems are going on. Remember, high pressure systems make nice weather, like today. Low pressure systems, not so nice. Now, the changing of these systems cause storms. When they come together, when you get a high pressure system, a low pressure system come together, they can come together in a particular way to make tornadoes. You know what those are. That's the funnel cloud mess. Hurricanes, this is like looking down on a hurricane. That's like looking side to on a tornado. A hurricane, if you look down on it, is a big mass of swirling wind, has extremely high winds, has moist air, and it ends up with a lot of flooding. As the eye passes over, you come through this section, it's calm, but you don't want to go out. Because when the storm keeps going on by, it'll get you going the other way. In fact, if you come through, the air might be blowing this way as it comes over, and then after the eye, it blows in the opposite direction. Crazy thing. Another kind of storm that you're supposed to know about are thunderstorms, or electrical storms, some people call them. And one of the ways to know if they're going to be building is when you look up in the sky, you have big cumulus clouds that are building up, and they just kind of stack up on each other, and they actually build into storm clouds. You'll see them all the time, or a lot of times in the afternoon in the summertime. But that's really what this standard is about these kind of storms. Look them up.